गया है।
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Conrad ke Sangma henen kesngi ula kubur ba kampak don kanu ke Jingtray ne ki nong tray na kabenta ki C&Rd block bat ki civil subdivision badang Shudap Penmi Thamai. Henry ke Jingtmu jongka kalong ban penjan ya ki tenat tray kam jong ka sarkar bat ki paj ba. Habakran Syakilat patai ha kawai ke program balalong hasilong Menteri Rang Ba uloong bakabun ke jinglut jingsep na kebenta bantau Thamai ya ki C&Rd block bat ki civil subdivision. Haswa ya gane Sangma uloong ru ba ke jingkhot hajar ya samut ki nong yalam keseng New Trap National Liberation Council da ka special court jongka National Investigation Agency kan kta ya ke jingyakran yasuk bat kani ke kinhon.
Whether he would again term that also as an elections, gimmick when he did it in 2013. So there will be financial implications. Blocks on an average may have a salary implication of about 2 crores, and subdivision also approximately same, plus minus depending on total number of manpower that we will ultimately put in there. So these are implications that are there. Of course, we will have to put up buildings at the end and infrastructures, which will be something that will be phased out in the long run and will not have an immediate impact on it. But obviously, we have to create the civil subdivisions and the buildings.
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala bolong